in this video, I'm going to teach you how to you can draw different hand poses for your cartoon character, and I'll be using Moho for this tutorial. So make sure that you download Moho Pro software so that you can follow along with the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I'm dropping new tutorials every week. So let's get into today's video. What you have to do is this reference. Now right click on it, and then let's click on the reference. You have to open it with Moho. So the thing will now open inside of Moho. Then once it's open, you will see this interface. So for now, go to Windows, turn off timeline so that you will have enough screen to work with. Then you have to click here to add a new layer. So let us start with the normal. So I'm going to draw the normal hand pose. Okay, so this is the normal hand pose, right? So that means I'm going to draw this hand pose now. Okay, so I'll start drawing it. So I'm going to use this to see it here, add point. So I'm going to use this add point to draw. So see it here, add point. That is the tools you can use to draw anything in Moho. So I will just be adding point like this. You can see now, just be adding point. Then you can use your space bar to move around in the screen. Okay, so I'll be adding this point like this. Then I'll also add here as well. Then if you reach here, press enter key to break the line. Then let me start adding from this side. Then I'll continue to add again. I'm adding it by left clicking. So you see, it's very easy to draw in Moho than any other software. Moho is the best. So if you reach here, you press enter key to break your line. Then let us continue from this place. You see how I'm doing it. Then I'll continue. Then if I reach here, I'll press enter key to break the point. Then I will continue adding another point here. You see the technique I'm using. Then if I reach here, I'll press enter key. So now we are done with the first step. Then second step is to join the point. So you just use your transform, see it here, transform point. Then use it to join this thing. I'll also join this one. I'll join this one. You see, so if you join your own correctly, your own will change color to white. So now the thing I've changed color, you need to click on this hide icon to hide the thing, because you need to adjust this your drawing. So the tools I normally use to adjust my drawing is what I normally use magnet. See it here, magnet. So click on magnet, then you start adjusting. Make sure that the thing matches. Okay, make sure that the thing matches like this. Okay, so that is how you do the hand pose drawing. You see, it's very easy to do, guys. Please, if you are watching this video, I have something to tell you. Please use 1 second of your time. Please drop a like on this video. Like this video, it helps me keep on growing this channel. Okay, like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you. So let's keep on adding this thing. And if you are watching this video from Facebook or TikTok, please follow this page as well. It really helps me keep on creating content like this. Okay, so continue using your magnet to adjust this thing, make it to match exactly with the reference. Okay, so guys, now we are done. So the next thing we have to do now we are finished adjusting. The next step we are going to take is for us to create the shape. Then go back and activate this thing. You will see white. So this is your reference. Now you need to drag it outside like this. Then you see this thing. Now you have to go to fill. Then you will see select shape. So you select this shape, go to style. You see that the thing is showing white. Then you just click on this. Which color do you want to name the thing? So any color you choose. But if you want to copy the exact color they use here, use this eyedropper to copy the color. You see, automatically we have already painted it. Then you can go ahead and increase the stroke, the width, anyhow you want to. So I'm okay with it like this. So guys, that is how you will draw the thing. So with this process now, you can go ahead and draw other ones. Okay, but then if you want to get the project file, because this thing now is a reference, if you want to get the project file of all the hands I use, all the hand movement I use, if you want to get the project file, just support me on my YouTube channel. Click on membership, join my membership. You will gain access to all the hand artwork. It will be a hand artwork that you can use for your own character. No need to draw anything. You will just import it and you add it to your character. Okay, I have over 20 different hand poses that you will get once you join my YouTube membership. So if you love what I do here, if you love my teaching, please support me on my YouTube channel, join my membership, and then gain access to this thing. So guys, so you see where I am using all those hands that I draw. You see them. Let me zoom in. You see all those hand poses that I draw. I'm using it here. So if you want to get all these things, guys, so guys, you see all those hand design I'm talking about. I've already drawn it. If you want to get the project file so that you can start animation, join my YouTube membership. So you see all those hand poses. I've already added it to the character. So if you want to get it, join my YouTube membership, and then you will gain access to it. Okay, or just use the link in the description of this video to join my YouTube membership, and you will get access to all the hand artwork that you will use for your hand poses that you will use to animate your characters. Okay, thank you. But also, if you want to learn more how to create characters and make the thing, if you want to learn how to create characters like this, let's say now you want to learn, let's say now you want to learn how I created this character and how I added bone. You see that this character have a bone. I can move it anyhow I want. So if you want to learn how I created this character, I recommend you join my animation class. Okay, so that I will teach you how to create characters like this, bone it for animations. Okay, so use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me. Let us start the class with you. You're going to enjoy the class and you will learn a lot of secrets of animation in the class. Alright, please, like I said, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Alright, I will see you next week with a new video. Bye guys.